Screen time without eye strain. Eye care tips for the modern user. The science of screen breaks. Timing your rests for maximum eye health benefits. Explore the holistic approach to taking effective screen breaks, designed to refresh your vision and prevent digital eye strain. Discover the power of night mode for protecting your vision. Dive deep into the benefits of using night mode on your devices to safeguard your eyes from strain and fatigue. For more comfortable and sustainable digital interaction, we will explore the impact of screen lights and optimal work setups for your eyes, address the issue of poor posture and the critical habits of blinking frequently. If you missed the first part where we covered narrow gaze issues and static fixation on screens, check my other videos. Understanding the importance of proper usage in our digital age. Laptops and phones are indispensable, yet not everyone knows how to use them in an eye-friendly manner. Learning new habits can significantly enhance and preserve your vision for the future. Lighting and screen brightness. Key concerns: the glare from millions of pixels bombarding our eyes can lead to retinal fatigue and strain of the micromuscles of the iris. These issues are compounded by the natural condition of staring at bright screens, which we were never evolved to handle. Here's how to mitigate these effects. First, embrace night mode in the evening. Switching your device to night mode can drastically reduce eye strain by dimming the overall brightness and altering the light spectrum emitted by the screens. Second, consider pinhole glasses. Wearing glasses with pinholes can significantly cut down the amount of light reaching your eyes, allowing them to rest even while you're staring at the screen. Plus, for myopic people, you can see far in them. Third, optimize room lighting. Ensure your workspace is well lit, preferably with overhead lighting to balance the brightness between your screen and the surroundings. This reduces the strain on your eyes and by decreasing the contrast. Addressing posture and eye position. The way we hold our head and eyes while using devices can lead to muscle strain and even double vision. Maintaining a straight posture and aligning the device with our natural line of sight can make a huge difference. Here are some tips. Elevate your device. Keep your monitor or phone at eye level to minimize the neck tilt and allows your eyes to look straight ahead. You can put your elbows on the table when using your phone to reach eye level and reduce the chances of astigmatism. Maintain good posture. Sit upright with your shoulders, back and chin slightly lowered, ensuring healthy blood flow and optic nerve function. Enroll in the Eyesight Academy course and learn how integrated regular intervals of rest into your screen time and proven eye exercises with relaxation techniques can boost your overall eye health, productivity, and eye focus naturally. The importance of blinking. Frequent blinking is crucial for eye health, preventing dryness, irritation, and other issues. Yes, it's a habit easily neglected during prolonged screen use. Here's how to maintain it. Conscious blinking. Make a conscious effort to blink, especially during screen time. When shifting your gaze between distances, blinking exercises. Incorporate blinking into your routine by doing intentionally when looking at various parts of your monitor, keyboard, and when looking away into the distance. Resting your eyes, giving your eyes brief period of rest can greatly alleviate eye fatigue and strain. Closing them for 10-15 seconds every 15 minutes allows your eye muscles to relax and can improve your overall eye health over time. Enjoy the relaxation process to make this regular as a habit. Wrapping up, in this session we tackled screen time and lighting issues, the pitfalls of downward gazing and the necessity of blinking. These insights aim to foster habits that protect and enhance your vision amidst our digital lives.